Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to change address on Wise app. In order to change your address on the Wise app, first you'll need to open your Wise app. To open the app, you can either use fingerprint authentication, your passcode, or facial access depending on the method you set up your Wise app with. Here, I will use my fingerprint unlock and you will be logged into your Wise app. From here, you'll have to tap in the profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. Your profile details will pop up on your screen. From here, you'll have to tap on the personal details option from the general. Here, your personal details, country of residence, date of birth, and a lot of information will pop up. You'll have to scroll to the very last of your personal details. Here, you can find your address. Now, you can change your address by tapping on the box. Type in the address you want to change. Here, you'll also have to change your postcode. After you have made your changes, make sure to press save on the very bottom of your screen. And just like that, you have successfully changed address on your Wise app. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to change your address on your Wise app. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share, and subscribe.